Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today the global cues were very good. Look at the Hong Kong market, it was up 3% in the morning. With such a positive global cues, we opened higher and we consistently traded higher today without much volatility. Of course, in between, in just one candle, they brought the market down by about 70-80 points. Then within the same candle, it was shot up more than 100 points. So we can say after a very long time, the stability returned to the market. And you may remember, I told you, if a month is very treacherous month and the new series normally begins with some positive note, and most probably that positive momentum continues. And there are many positive signs here, and I can tell you one by one. Number one, after a very long time, yesterday the US market traded with stability without any huge intraday up and down movements. Number one. Number two, US markets yesterday did not react negatively to the very bad GDP data. And today morning also I told you, when the markets don't react to negative news, that means the market is somewhere near the bottom, or probably the bottom has already been made. And when the markets are not reacting to the positive news, so that means the top is very near, or probably the top has already been formed. So we can say confidently now that the bottom has already been made both in US markets as well as Indian markets. And the third one, FII position, in the last month, they kept huge short positions, but this time the short position is 55, but still 55 is still on the higher side. Up to 50% short position is okay, but 55 is a little bit on the higher side. But as and when market moves higher, some of them they will cover their shorts. So their FII long short position is in a comfortable range. And the fourth one, India VIX. And the US VIX also came down. India VIX yesterday came down by 10%, and today it has come down by another 5%. In just 2 trading sessions, India VIX has come down by 15%. So all this points to the stability of the market. And in the May series, it was hugely volatile. Market going up and down is not a problem. But 200 point gap down, fall another 200 point, 200 point gap up, shoot up another 200 point. So that has not happened today. And I don't think that this is going to happen in the next few days also. But of course, fingers crossed, assuming that there is no more headline news from US. And also you can see the Nifty, yesterday low was 15,900. Today's high is close to 16,400, a 500 point short up. And today banking stocks have outperformed, and HDFC Twins for the 4th day, in continuously, they are the contributors of highest point among Nifty on the higher side, 2 among the top 5 stocks. And there was some news today morning, the government may plan to go for additional tax from oil producers. Because the crude oil prices are so high, it's almost $114, $115. So these people making good money. So now the government also, because they cut the excise duty for petroleum products, so they have to compensate that money somewhere else. So there was a news that the government is planning to go for additional tax from oil producers. And who are the oil producers in India? It's Reliance and ONGC. So there is no wonder Reliance and ONGC are the top 2 contributors for the Nifty on the negative side. And on the higher side it was a banking and financials, on the lower side is Reliance and ONGC. So one good thing, and after a long time, I am comfortable with the market. The last 1 month, I have not been comfortable with the market. But today, first time, I am feeling that, I am more comfortable with the market. and I'm confidently selling put options. And until yesterday, so scared to sell put options. At the end of the day, FIIs once again they've sold for 2,000 crores, and they are going to continue for some more time. There is no end to that. Of course, the domestic institutions have bought around 2,700 crore, 700 crore more than what FIIs have sold. And maybe tomorrow I will come out with a video. What is wrong with these FIIs? And there are a lot of messages going around in the social media regarding the FII selling. So right now, US futures are higher, European markets are higher, Asian markets today closed all higher. So there is the green paint everywhere in the world. And let us hope this continues. We do not want the market to go up every day. It doesn't matter whether the market comes down, but goes up or comes down, it should happen gradually without any violent move. And I can see that that is returning in the month of June. So June month is a 5-week series, it's a long series. And of course, about the June month outlook and everything we will discuss later in the Dalal Street Peak Ahead program. So right now time is getting late for my party, Friday evening. So the remaining things we will discuss later, but looking at the open interest, and I think 16,000 will become a very, very good support, and people are selling 16,000 put option, and also people are taking 16,300 short straddle. So after a long time, people are confident that markets will move gradually, will not make a violent move. So that's something good. So let us see next week what happens. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.